Hi there, this is Savannah Payne, and today I'd like to celebrate and elevate Whitney. I can see the progress that she has made on her project is under instructional strategies. She used this beautiful table to help organize her thoughts, and she's provided templates and rubrics and how she's actually delivering the instruction to teachers is using a Canvas module. And what I like about this Canvas module is that she has the settings set that you have to complete the grabbing attention before you can go to the other contents. But once you come in here and you actually watch the video and post on a discussion, then it will truly allow you to go to the next section. Overall, Whitney, you're really making some great progress, and I'm super proud of you.